Pull out now. Click.
I have the honor to welcome you all to Enugu State. I am truly delighted to welcome you to this great historic city of Enugu. You may have just noticed what we represent as Enugu, a melting pot of all ethnic groups. Enugu, a cosmopolitan city. This is where you perhaps have an Hausa, Yoruba, who may not have known any other home but Enugu. You have the third, fourth generation of different ethnic groups that are here. As you are also aware, Enugu had and has continued to play consequential roles in our social, economic, and political lives in Nigeria and beyond. Enugu is also probably a role model within our great party. This is because Enugu is one of the few states that has enjoyed uninterrupted stewardship of our great party. So I welcome you all most warmly on this occasion of our PDP Governors Forum meeting. This is where we come together to deliberate on strategies for the development and growth of our party and nation. It is a forum that plays a major part in helping us actualize our strategies, where we compare notes, where we learn best practices among one another of good governance. Your Excellencies, dinner time is not a time for speeches. And I will promise you I won't violate that law. But as Chino Achebe pointed out, when a man calls his kinsmen to a feast, he does not do so because they would starve of food. Because they all have food in their homes. Again, when we gather under the moonlight in the village square, we did not do so because we couldn't see the moon from our compound. According to Achebe, we gather together because it is good for kinsmen to gather together. So, my task here is just to welcome you most profoundly for choosing Enugu as the venue of our Governor's Forum. You would notice that within these short remarks, I have said welcome, welcome, copiously, repeatedly, because this is what runs in our DNA as people of Enugu. When you go out there on the streets, you're going to be told the same thing. No, no, Deje, welcome, welcome. Because that is what Enugu is renowned for, is known for, the city of hospitality, the cosmopolitan city. So I would invite you all, even as we spend time tomorrow, to deliberate and to craft strategies that would help us for the growth and development of our nation and party. I want to also invite you to avail yourself of this great hospitality that Enugu is known for. Once again, I welcome you and wish all of us a happy deliberation tomorrow. Thank you. No. Excellency,